Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel, and today I wanted to show you yung ating mga newly repotted na mga cactus. So except for that brain cactus na nandun sa gilid, lahat sila ay newly potted. Ayan, so nilagay ko na agad sila sa ating rain or shine area kasi I'm trying to make an experiment if they would really survive under full sunlight even if na bagong repot lang sila. And in addition, syempre, we are also trying to avoid na ma-overwater sila since they will be exposed nga dito sa ating open area wherein talagang umuulan dito sa Baguio every afternoon, and that's also something na I wanted to happen, na sana later umulan so that we can really see if they can survive yung rainwater or masok sa ulan kahit na bagong lipat lang sila. So ngayon, I just wanted to show you itong mga cactus that I wanted to subject under our rain or shine experiment for the next 2 weeks, including this one. It's one of my favorite. I'm not sure if ganito lang ba talaga kaliliit itong cactus na to, but I really love yung parang clumping niya. Kaya nagmukha siyang malaki, including itong ating 3 cactus na potted in one pot. Ayan. So, we will just wait for the rain this afternoon. Then, I will give you another update. Aside from those cacti na nandun na nga sa ating rain or shine area, yung iba nating mga cactus is nirepot ko na din sila, pero ito is like bright and shaded area. So may bubong itong area na ito para at least pag umulan, hindi talaga sila mababasa directly kasi I'm thinking na tama na yung 7 or 8 pots na nakalagay doon sa ating rain or shine area for our experiment. So itong mga ito, dito lang sila. And it's currently raining now. So finally, natupad yung ating wish na umulan sa ngayon. So naglagay rin ako nitong ating cactus na ito na hindi ko pa siya nirepot. Literally bare root lang muna siya. Let's see if they can survive yung pinaka first na rainfall. We will just leave them here. Then after a week, I will be giving you another update if okay pa ba sila or hindi na. This is already a week 1 update. So as you can see, may parang flower bud na yung isa dyan. Yung iba nating mga cactus are all doing fine. I'm not seeing any signs of parang overwatering sa kanila. Perfect pa naman yung kanilang condition, pero let's see if after a week ng rain or shine is kakayanin pa ba nila. But definitely after 2 weeks, we will try to bring out yung iba nating mga cactus na nandun sa ating bright shaded area. So ito, so far, okay pa rin naman siya. So finally, after 2 weeks of repotting, except for those empty pots na nandun, finally, nandito na nga sa labas lahat ng ating mga cactus. So, as you can see here, may isa na namang cactus na nagfa-flower. Ito rin yung the same cactus na nabili natin sa botanical garden. Ayan, so I'm really excited na lahat ng ating mga cactus would bloom at the same time. I think maganda yun, diba? It's really something na I'm looking forward to, especially if lahat sila would literally bloom. Pero of course, we need to be patient kasi kakaripat nga lang natin sa kanila, and I'm not sure if they would bloom this year or siguro next year na. This is their first day under the sunlight, and at the same time, first day na makakatanggap sila ng rainwater. So 2 weeks na rin naman silang nasa bright shaded area na hindi sila nadidiligan, and so I'm confident na hopefully hindi sila kumbaga ma-overwatered since ilang oras na din na umuulan dito sa Baguio. I will just be giving you another update tomorrow to see if they would still be Okay, pero yung mga talagang na-subject na natin for the 2 weeks rain or shine experiment, itong mga ito are doing fine. After a long period of rainfall yesterday, ito na nga yung kanilang pinaka-update. Same, parang wala namang pinagbago except for one cactus na nakita ko. And let me show it to you. Dito sa pinakagilid na part, I have here cactus na parang naging mushy siya. Favorite ko pa man din ito. But as you can see, dito sa kanyang gilid, medyo soft na siya and it looks like na overwater itong cactus na ito. Ayan o, diba? Very soft. So, parang punong-puno na siya ng tubig sa loob. Kaya ang gagawin natin is we will be removing this immediately here. And let's see if makaka-recover ba siya or hindi. And that's something na I will be giving you an update in the next coming weeks to come. I think that's the only update that I can give you right now. So after ko mai-repot lahat yung ating mga cactus and at the same time nga aayusin ko pa yung ating succulents area kasi hindi ko na alam kung saan ko ilalagay yung mga bago nating nabili. So after kong maayos lahat yon, I will be giving you tour ng ating cacti corner and our succulent corner. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.